What are the common uses of allspice in cooking?
Hello, food enthusiasts! Today, we're talking about a spice that's truly an all-rounder, allspice. It's not a mix of spices, as the name might suggest, but a single berry from the Jamaican pimento tree. The name allspice comes from its aroma, which is a blend of spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves.
What is allspice used for in cooking?
There's a whole range of dishes where allspice comes into play. Let's dive in. 1. Baking. Allspice is a popular ingredient in baking. From pumpkin pies, gingerbread cookies, to spice cakes and muffins, allspice adds a warm, sweet, and slightly peppery flavor that enhances these sweet treats. 2. Caribbean cuisine. Allspice plays a crucial role in Caribbean cuisine. It's the key ingredient in Jamaican jerk seasoning and is also used in marinades and stews. 3. Pickling. Allspice is often used in pickling brines. Its complex flavor profile adds depth to pickles and relishes. 4. Mulled drinks. Mulled wines and ciders often feature allspice. It provides a warming, spicy note that's perfect for cold weather drinks.
Can allspice be used as a substitute?
Yes, allspice can be a handy substitute when you're out of certain spices. The unique combination of flavors in allspice makes it a practical stand-in for cinnamon, nutmeg, or cloves. However, remember that the flavor won't be an exact match, so use it judiciously.
How to store allspice?
Proper storage of allspice is crucial to maintain its flavor. It's best to store allspice in a cool, dark, and dry place. If you've ground the allspice, use it within 6 months for the best flavor. Whole allspice berries can be stored for up to a year. There you have it, folks. That's the story of allspice, the single spice with a multitude of flavors. It's a versatile addition to your spice rack and can add a wonderful depth of flavor to both sweet and savory dishes. So why wait? Experiment with allspice in your kitchen and enjoy its unique, aromatic flavors. Happy cooking!